Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. Today I'm going to explain how to sketch the following quadratic function y equals to minus x square plus 4x and y equals to minus 2x square plus 10x. When x coefficient of x square is negative, function will be maximum value function. So copying this part one first, y equals to minus x square and plus 4x. When coefficient of x square is negative, it will be maximum. It is a maximum value function, and sketched will be this type of parabola will be sketched. So when y equals to minus x square, and we can memorize this type of parabola by set face. So, step number one is find out x-intercepts first. So step number one, find x-intercepts. By putting y equals to 0 in equation number one. So where is the equation number one? This is the original equation. Let's suppose this is our equation number one here. So going to copy this equation, y equals to minus x squared plus 4x, and replacing y with 0. To find out the value of x, or to solve this equation, factorize by taking common. Minus x as a common, so my x minus 4 equals to 0. Now equating minus x and x minus 4 with 0. So when I'm going to equate 0 equals to minus x, or 0 equals to x minus 4. So we get x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. These are x-intercepts for parabola here. Now going to sketch this type of parabola. So this is x-axis, and this is y-axis and x-axis. Y equal to 0 and x equal to 4 here, x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So I'm going to mark x 0 and 4. This is like sketched. So this is, let's suppose this is 4 here. Now draw is line of symmetry, and the line of symmetry will be passed through the midpoint. The midpoint is 2 here. So line of symmetry will be passed from the midpoint of 0 and 4. So this is line of symmetry, suppose. And this is line of symmetry. And the equation of this line of symmetry is x equals to 2. X equals to 2 is the equation of line of symmetry. So now we can draw the sketch, but it will be maximum value function, for maximum value function, we have to draw this type of parabola. So going to draw this type of parabola. This is the sketch y equals to minus x squared plus 4x. But there is But the turning point, if turning point is still unknown, but we have coordinates of turning point of x coordinate of the turning point, which is 2, and the y coordinate is still unknown. This is the coordinate of turning point, or we can say stationary point, or we can say coordinates of vertex. Coordinates of vertex. So y value is unknown still. So step number 2 is find out turning point. We can find turning point, coordinates of turning point, or we can say coordinates of stationary point, or we can say coordinates of vertex. By putting the line of symmetry, the equation of line of symmetry, which was x equal to 2, by putting x equal to 2 in the original equation. This is the original equation. This was the original equation. So putting x equals to 2 in equation number 1, which is y equals to minus x squared plus 4x. Sorry, it was 4x. 4x. So y equals to minus x squared plus 4x, and replacing x with 2. So minus 4 and plus 8 is 4. Y equals to 4. Y equal to 4 is the y coordinate of turning point. So this is, we have the value of y, which is 4. So the coordinates of turning point or stationary point is 2, 4, and this is the sketch of y equals to minus x squared plus 4x. So let's take another part. This is y equals to minus 2x squared plus 10x. It is also maximum value function here. So I'm going to copy minus 2x squared. Sorry. It is minus 2x squared plus 10x. So second part is y equals to minus 2x squared plus 10x. It is also maximum valued function because coefficient of x squared is negative. So curve will be, this type of curve will be drawn for y equals to minus 2x squared. And we can memorize by sad phase. If coefficient of x squared is negative, so we can memorize this by sad phase. Now, the first step is find out x-intercept by putting y equal to 0 in the original equation, which is equation number 1. Let's suppose this is equation number 1. So copying this original equation, y equals to minus 2x squared plus 10x, and replacing y with 0. You can solve this type of quadratic equation by taking common. I have discussed in how to solve different type of quadratic equation in the previous in the video lesson. So now, and giving link in the section, comment section. Minus 2 is 2x is common, and x minus 5. Here. So minus 2x, x minus 5 here. Now equating minus 2x and x minus 5 with 0. So therefore we can write 0 equals to minus 2x, or 0 equals to x minus 5. You can say x equals to 0, or x equals to 5. These are what x-intercepts of the parabola. Now going to sketch of this type of. So now x equal to 0 and 5 here. 0 and 5, mark 5. X-axis, y-axis, and draw a line of symmetry of 0 and 5, which is passing through the midpoint. Line of symmetry here. This is line of symmetry with equation 0 plus 5 over 2. So equation will be x equals to 0 plus 5 over 2 will be x equal to 2.5. Passing through 2.5 here. Now, draw the curve for maximum value function. It will be like this. Parabola, this type of parabola, we have to draw this. So going to draw. This is y equals to minus 2x square plus 10x. Must be smooth curve. So this is, I think, must be smooth curve. And symmetrical. Smooth and symmetrical, must be smooth and symmetrical. Now the question is, what is the coordinate of turning point here? So coordinate of turning point, we can find, we have x coordinate of turning point, which is 2.5, the x coordinate of turning, but we don't have y coordinate of turning point. So it is still unknown. So coordinate of turning points will be, this is 2.5 comma unknown is the coordinate of turning point. Turning point, stationary point, or coordinate of vertex. So we can find by using step number 2. Step number 2 is find coordinate of turning point or you can say stationary point, or we can say coordinates of vertex by putting the equation of line of symmetry, which is x equals to 2.5. So the original equation, x equals to 2.5 in the equation number 1. The original equation was y equals to minus 2x square plus 10x. So we're going to copy this, y equals to minus 2x square plus 10x, and going to replace x with 2.5. So y equals to minus 2 times 2.5 squared plus 10 times of 2.5. So it will be y equals to 25 and minus 2 twice of it will be 225. Sorry, 625. 62.5 here. Sorry. So minus 2.5 is minus 2 times of 2.5 square plus 10 times of 2.5. It will be 12.5. So y equals to 12.5 is the y coordinate of turning point, or this is the y coordinate of turning point or stationary point. So replacing this is 12.5 here. It is also 12.5. So now this is the complete sketch of y equals to minus 2x square plus 10x. I hope you have got the idea how to sketch these types of curve. Y equals to minus x square minus 2x square plus 10x, and y equals to minus x squared plus 4x. So don't forget to like this video and share with your friends and subscribe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.